I feel like a bird trapped in a cage. I thought that PD only came with old age. I can run, I can dance, but only in dreams. I struggle each day. My life's not what it seems. All over the world they're seeking a cure. These mysterious people should meet, that's for sure. Working together will bring them more gain, whilst our ranks are growing with this damnable curse. Some going insane, some racked with pain. Please act, get together, we beg you again. We need all sorts of help to help us survive. A reason to live, not just being alive. Not knowing the cause and with symptoms diverse, it's hard to spot, which makes matters worse. Because this disease is chronic, not fatal, we're constantly shelved and our voice is not heard. We need a solution now. Will you please spread the word?